Bombs. White radish. Undoubtedly. Who would you go with? Scold him. Take my word. Helplessness. Dominicus. You get depressed for no reason. Domicile. He wants to trap you. I still remember that day. Can't you keep quiet? Spread. Lawful. It's the grace of my Lord. The car turned over. You got me wrong. Stink. Duplicity. Vicinity. Wheresoever. Cuff. Solo. I am full. Rip. I have begun to veil myself. Any concern with you? You don't deserve to be respected. Impudent. Repent. I had intention. Abandoned infant. Nut. I'm regretting till today. May I be sacrificed. Obscenity. Don't tickle. How much is that? Bum.